One Cessna revving behind my house. He's directly over a policeman's house right now. He's coming up on another either Cessna or a perimeter jumbo, or one of the jumbos that crosses the end of my street. But either way, it's a jumbo, so we're not sure what he's doing. But he's making sure to get right over it and have an incident. Look, they're right next to each other. Now he's doing pulse accelerations. He's on a little bit of a downward descent, getting right in there. Look, pull like my. Wow. All right. Well, there's a jumbo and an idiot and a Cessna, and now there's another one right here. There he is right there, and he was trying to get away from me. He was starting to get all excited, but he's recording that, and he's doing his own little cover-up too. And there goes the smaller white jumbo with the blue belly and the yellow-orange tail.